Hi everyone, welcome to the second video of Module 5, and here we are going to have some of the talk with respect to AI and ML, which is nothing but artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let's get started. Well, what is this artificial intelligence, or in short AI, that we all have been talking about lately? Well, this AI refers to some set of instructions that we give to a machine. And when we say that some set of instructions to a machine, it is basically a computer program. So AI refers to a computer program that invokes at least one human-like ability into a machine. So just think about it. The program itself is going to be considered as an AI because it is allowing machines to perform tasks or make decisions that would typically require human intelligence. For example, let's say how you are learning things right now. What if I tell you that with the help of a computer program, even machines can start learning just like you and start understanding things and eventually start solving problems even better as compared to how the smartest of the human being can solve it. That is AI. With the help of one computer program, you are going to invoke this kind of human-like abilities into a machine. Now, how do you exactly write this type of a code that will do all this type of things? So that's where machine learning algorithms and deep learning models comes into the picture. And what if I tell you that by the end of this module itself, you are going to start writing codes with respect to machine learning algorithms and create your own AI model over here? Isn't it just amazing? So that's the end of the video over here, and I hope that I was able to give you some sense of what exactly is this AI and what all kind of things we can do with that. And now on top of this, to give you more clarity, I'm going to give you some of the popular applications of this AI and ML so that you can better grasp this kind of concept of what all kind of things can be done with respect to this.